Good evening, students. Today I will discuss a very interesting topic, Class 9, Chapter number 2, the physical features of India. Topic name is Island. The Island. Before starting this topic, I will welcome to all of you my YouTube channel, Let's Learn Geography. All are requested to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Let's Learn Geography. If you like this video, so you share this channel to your friends. Okay, let's start today's topic. Today's topic name is the island. Okay, so first of all, what is island? What is the definition of island? Island means is a one type of land which a whole area covered with water. Island is a one type of land which whole area bounded with water. This land is known as a island. India has two groups of island. Likewise, India has two groups of island. One island known as Lakshadweep, which is situated in Arabian Sea, and other name is name as Andaman Nicobar Island, which is situated in Bay of Bengal. So today's in this video we will discuss Lakshadweep and Andaman, their details, description and characteristics of these two island. Okay, let's start one by one. First, Lakshadweep. This is a group. This island groups laying to the Malabar coast of Kerala. Means this island situated in the besides of Kerala. In our country, that is Kerala, and in beside these are the island are situated. This all island is known as Lakshadweep. All islands are known as Lakshadweep. The group of island is composed of small coral island. Means these all islands are made by coral reef. Okay, earlier they were known as Lakshadweep. In ancient time, this Lakshadweep island is known as Lakshadweep, Minikroy, and Aminadweep. These are the different name in ancient time. After that, in 1973, this island name Lakshadweep. This island name Lakshadweep. Okay, its total covering area is total covering area 32 square kilometer. 32 square kilometer total covering area. Where situated 36 island. Among them 11 are inhabited. 11 are inhabited where the people are lived, and other rest of the island there have no peoples live on that other island. Among them island, the Kavaratti is the headquarter. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarter of Lakshadweep, which is the capital of Lakshadweep. And another important thing, escaped from this rest of the island, another important island situated Piti Island. Okay, Piti Island, which is uninhabited, and this is for reserved for the bird sanctuary. Only bird sanctuaries are situated in this area. That is the important characteristics of Lakshadweep. Okay, these are the features of Lakshadweep. Now let's discuss about the next island group of our country, Andaman and Nicobar. These islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. It is a one type of elongated chain island. Why it is elongated chain island? These are spread in a look like a chain. They are spread in a look like a chain. That's why it is known as a elongated chain island. Okay, this entire group of island divide into two broad categories. This whole island are divided into two broad categories. This upper part, this is known as Andaman, and lower part is known as Lakshadweep. Nicobar. The total number of island in this island is 572. Total island are situated in Andaman and Nicobar. Among them, Andaman and Nicobar are divided by a water bodies channel is known as 10-degree channel. This channel is divided Andaman and Nicobar. In this island, one another important features is that Berin on active volcano island which was situated Nicobar. It was only active volcano of our countries were situated in Nicobar. That is on short question in your exam should become what is the name of the active volcano in our country. Then you said Berin. Okay, it was situated in Nicobar. Then come to the last point, another point such as coral. Coral is a one type of animal which was live in a microscopic organisms which live in a colonies, which was live in a colonies, which live like a colonies. Okay, it flourished in a shallow water. This water look like a clean, mud free, and should be warm, so that this type of water is suitable for growing coral. Coral section and their skeleton form the coral deposit in the forms of reef. One coral is died, then another coral was born on the top of the coral reef and make a reef. Okay, deposit and make one by one a reef. There are three type of barrier reef. Okay, three type of reef: barrier reef, fringing reef, and atolls. In these three type of colonies they make and situated different type of island and created different type of island. Okay, then another good example also given. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is a good example of coral reef which are situated in Australia, that is known as coral. Okay, then come to the last point of this chapter. Summary. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about our country's physiographic division. We have already discussed the mountain, Himalayan mountain, northern plain, peninsular plateau, coastal, island, desert, every physiographic division. But in our country's physiographic division, every physiographic division and one major characteristics also there. India has different physiographic division, highlight the unique features of each region. First, Himalayan mountain, which is also known as storehouse of water and fresh water. The northern plain are known as Ganarais of our country. Why? Because this area is ideal for agriculture and all type of crops are grown in this region known as Ganarais. And the plateau, third, plateau is known as storehouse of minerals in our country's plateau, such as Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. This plateau's area is storehouse of minerals, all type of minerals such as aluminium, manganese, coal, all type of minerals are found in this region. The last, the coastal region and island groups are provide two most important facilities such as fishing and port activities. Okay, this is the today's topic. Another topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.